Hi guys, this is Dr. Farjana. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Like always, it's such a pleasure to connect with you. Today I want to talk about work anxiety. How to decrease work anxiety. So many of us have been trained to live under pressure during work hours. Constant pressure, right? So we have to learn how to not join the work pressure bonding, work trauma pressure bonding. Yes, I'm going to call it trauma because it's this way of being, way of relating to each other where it's like, yes, it's so much to do. There's so much to do, right? We miss our lunches. We don't go out and take care of ourselves. We work through our lunches. We don't have enough breaks. Sometimes I was talking to a teacher the other day, and she didn't go to the bathroom, and because she was just under this pressure, and she didn't go to the bathroom. She had to go to the bathroom 3 hours prior, and she did not go. And then she joined a work meeting, and again, still did not use the restroom. That's not healthy. That is not healthy, right? So again, this is why I'm calling it trauma, because we're causing trauma to our body. We're causing trauma to our mental health by living in this state of pressure at work. And we relate to each other in this way as well. So when we talk to each other, all we talk about is the stress. We talk about the pressure, right? Oh yeah, this is due. Oh goodness, I feel overwhelmed. And that's all we talk about. So when you reflect, you think about what is this work trauma pressure bonding Dr. Farjana is talking about? This is what I'm talking about. That bonding where, it's unhealthy. It's toxic because it's this work culture of grind and, until you get sick. And that's unacceptable. That's not okay anymore. And we as a society need to stop and say, this is not okay. No, absolutely not. I'm not going to live under pressure. I'm not going to be in rushed mode. I'm not. I'm going to actually eat during my lunch. I'm going to leave the building and take care of myself, right? I see people in this rut, in this grind, and then they look older than their age. They're getting wrinkles under their eyes, right? Stress is aging, and remind yourself of that. So how do we get out of this work trauma pressure bonding? How do we get out of it? Firstly, notice it. Notice when you start doing it. When you start the first conversations when you greet people, you start talking about all the stress. Or you're going out through your day and you're like, oh, I'm stressed, right? You're feeling anxiety because of a meeting or 10 things that are due. So say to yourself, notice it, breathe in, breathe out, say, I'm not joining the work trauma bonding. I'm not joining their work trauma bonding, right? You can say there so you're separating yourself. I'm not joining their work trauma bonding. No way. I'm not putting more stuff in me. Absolutely not. I'm not aging. I will not decrease my immunity. There is always something going on. There will always be something going on. I'm here to do my job. You can say I'm here to teach, I'm here to treat patients. I'm here to have sessions with my clients. I'm not here to impress. And then when you start getting anxiety with supervisors or colleagues, meetings, just say just people, just trees, just people, just trees. Guys, it's not worth it. Don't get yourself sick. Make sure you go get that water. Make sure you're drinking water throughout the day. Maybe bring in your weights, your light weights, or your yoga mat. Do some push-ups, do some meditation, do some weight training a little bit. So your work and other stressors don't start controlling your life, but you're controlling your life. You're in the driver's seat of your life, right? Not the passenger seat of societal programming of work pressure or whatever, family pressure. Absolutely not. You are a human being. You work hard. And you deserve to live in excitement wherever you are, whether at work, whether at home, whether at events, right? You deserve love and safety. And no one will give it to you. You have to give it to yourself. Okay, guys? So please reflect on this term, work, trauma, pressure bonding. Work, trauma, pressure bonding. And detach from it. Say absolutely not. All right, guys. Take care of yourself. You guys are amazing. You rock.